Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been a few weeks since I've posted, I've just been working so much, super busy. But if you want to see how I did this Easter spring face paint, then stay tuned. Start off with, I primed my face and then I added foundation using a beauty sponge. I then also concealed under my eyes and powdered under the eyes but not across the forehead as that would affect the paint. Then just lightly contoured along the cheeks, underneath the jaw and down the nose. To create the spring sunset, I first sponged on a pink paint just in between the eyebrows, and then I went into a bright yellow paint and flipped the sponge over just to make sure that was all blended in really nice. And then I sponged on turquoise and then blue right at the top. I then brought these colours right round the side of the eyes and underneath. Using the double dip flower technique, I used pink and white paint to paint on these double dip flowers just at both sides of the face. I added some bright pink in the centre and also outlined the flowers with black and added white highlights as well. Using a black face paint, I then painted on these branches coming round the eyes, and then I added like little dots onto the branches to kind of make it look like spring flowers. I brought the branches onto one side of the face and I painted flowers and birds sat on the branches, and then on the other side I painted this Easter bunny, which I'm not going to lie, it's not the easiest thing to do for me personally, and I also painted some Easter eggs and some tulips as well. I also added some butterflies in the sky. This is meant to be like a spring sunset, so I added white dots into the sky area and also added some starbursts. I then went into this green eyeshadow as I wanted it to just make it look a bit more spring-like, and I put the dark green in the outer edges of the eyes and then a lighter green in the centre, and then I went into a yellow eyeshadow and popped that in the corner of my eye and a bit underneath as well. I went into the Huda Beauty winter highlight palette and I went into this golden shade which is called Northern Lights, and I just popped that on my cheeks and in the corner of my eyes. Okay, I got sent this eyeliner, it's called the Quick Flick Liner, I'll link it down below, and it's a bit of a game changer. It's actually like a stamp, so you stamp the flick and then you just draw in with the felt tip the rest of the eyeliner, and it's so easy, especially if you find it difficult to do a winged liner. Amazing. I added eyelashes and then I added this beautiful purpley grey shade Mina by LA Splash, and this is the finished look. I'm going to link down below a picture now because I've done every other season in this, so I just wanted to tie it in and do all the seasons, and then my little collection is complete. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and it's given you some Easter inspiration. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this tutorial and I'll see you soon. Bye.